Welcome back to Fact World 89, where we dive deep into the most intriguing and mind-boggling facts about the natural world. Today, we're uncovering some shocking truths about one of the ocean's most majestic and feared predators, the killer whale. Prepare to be amazed and disturbed by what you're about to learn. Killer whales, also known as orcas, are often seen as the kings of the ocean. With their striking black and white appearance and incredible hunting skills, they are truly a sight to behold. But beneath their beauty lies a darker side that many are unaware of. Did you know that killer whales are not actually whales? They belong to the dolphin family and are the largest members of this group. But what really sets them apart is their intelligence and complex social structures. Orcas are apex predators, meaning they have no natural enemies. They are known to hunt in packs, using sophisticated techniques to capture their prey. From seals to sharks, no marine animal is safe from their grasp, but their hunting methods can be quite brutal.
In some cases, orcas have been observed playing with their prey before killing it. This behavior, while fascinating, also raises questions about their nature. Are they simply honing their skills, or is there a more sinister motive at play? The presence of killer whales has a significant impact on marine ecosystems. Their hunting activities can alter the behavior and population of other marine species. For instance, in areas where orcas are prevalent, seals and sea lions have been known to change their habits to avoid becoming prey. This ripple effect can have far-reaching consequences, affecting the balance of the entire ecosystem. It's a stark reminder of the power and influence these creatures wield in the ocean.
Killer whales have also had a complex relationship with humans. In the wild, they are often admired for their beauty and intelligence. However, in captivity, their story takes a darker turn.
Many orcas in captivity suffer from physical and psychological issues due to the confined spaces and lack of social interaction. There have been numerous incidents of aggression towards trainers, highlighting the stress and frustration these animals experience.
Orcas are highly intelligent and social animals. Keeping them in captivity can lead to a range of problems, from dorsal fin collapse to abnormal behaviors. It's crucial that we rethink how we interact with these magnificent creatures.
Despite the challenges, there is hope for the future of killer whales. Conservation efforts are underway to protect their natural habitats and ensure their survival.
Organizations around the world are working tirelessly to study and protect orcas, advocating for better practices in both the wild and captivity.